Hello and welcome to Nurse 701 Primary Care. I'm Dr. Christy Griffin and I will be your faculty for this semester. As you open your course Canvas this week, I encourage you to take a look at the Class Communications toolbar that runs across the top of your course homepage. There are several objects in there that include really important information for applications and different media that we will be using throughout the course. So familiarize yourself with that this week. That will make things a little bit easier as we journey forward. Also in week 1, you will complete an introduction. This is a non-graded assignment, but I encourage everyone to participate. This introduction will give us a brief overview of your educational and professional background, tell us a little bit about why you chose to become an advanced practice registered nurse, and what your career goals are once you complete this section of your education. And also in week 1, our focus of study will be common conditions of the eyes and ears. These are conditions that you're going to see throughout your career in primary care, urgent care, emergency room settings. And this week you will begin your first iHuman case study. So your iHuman case study is a young woman who will come to you with a fever and sore throat, and you will work through all of that scenario to determine the cause of her symptoms. I encourage you, as you encounter patients, that you always suspect that there's pathology there. If you will approach patients with that mindset, it will help to guide your interview skills and your assessment skills so that you will adequately and appropriately be identifying pathology in those patients. Another assignment this week will be your portfolio topic. So the portfolio assignment is actually 3 different assignments in one. You're going to select a topic that interests you and a topic that you would like to teach others about. So there's a list of potential topics that we'll provide for you. But you will select that topic, and then on the very first assignment, you're going to be gathering research to help you formulate your portfolio. So in the first assignment, you will be submitting your research that you have completed for that, and that will be in week 4. In week 7, you're going to submit an overview of your portfolio in the form of something visual with script or visual with audio, something like a PowerPoint presentation with script or PowerPoint presentation with voice override. And then in week 11, you will present your final presentation of the portfolio. And that presentation will be a 5 to 7 minute video education tool, something that you can play in your clinic waiting room to educate your patients about whatever topic it is that you have found of interest. If you have questions as we journey through that assignment, please feel free to reach out to me. Okay, please take a minute to look in the objects for this week titled Important Exam Information. You will have 3 exams in this course, and they are proctored. You will need to identify and have approval for a proctor before week 5 reaches us, so I encourage you to do that now. So if you will open the Important Exam Information object in week 1, you will find that information there, and you can get that kind of off of your plate, if you will. We will also do 3 Zoom meetings. These meetings will be in weeks 2, 7, and 10. These are not mandatory meetings. These are more clinical Pearl type meetings. This is a time when we can come together face to face. We can discuss course content. We can clarify things that are of concern. We can talk about some of the case studies that you've done, discussions that you are participating in. So they're a great time for us kind of to come together as a class. I have sent out an email earlier today. We will try to identify a time, a date that's most accessible to the class, and we will pick that date for week 2, and then I will send out an email closer to week 7 and week 10, and we'll do the same thing there. I will video those meetings so that you will have access to them if you are unable to attend. And again, I am Dr. Christy Griffin, and I look forward to the class. I'm really excited about this semester. I think we are going to learn from each other in this semester, and that's really exciting to me. If there's anything that I can do for you, please feel free to reach out to me by email. I typically respond within 24 hours, and if I can do anything to help you, please let me know.